Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Okay. Now, in examination, I have given MCQ. Okay. We have given 60 marks in MCQ pattern. Now, in MCQ pattern, I have given 4 options, and in 4 options, you have to select right answer from the questions. Okay. Now, I will start the revision with Vandana. Okay. Now, in Vandana lesson, here there are some MCQs. First, we read the notice, answer the following questions, selecting the appropriate options. Okay. Now, first one is which goddess means which god has a crooked mouth. Okay. Crooked mouth किसका होता है? The first one is here see गणपति, शंकर, ब्रह्मा एंड विष्णु. ओके. आपको पता ही है क्रूक माउथ मीन्स हाथी की सूंड जैसा मुंह किसका है? गणपति का. सो द राइट आंसर इज व्हाट? ए मीन्स गणपति. ओके. नाउ सेकंड वन इज हु इज द रियल सुप्रीम बीइंग. ओके. हु इज द रियल सुप्रीम बीइंग. सबसे महान कौन है? सबसे श्रेष्ठ कौन है? हियर द ऑप्शन इज ए विष्णु, नो, गुरु, हनुमान एंड शंकर. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे किस लोग की बात की गई है? सेकंड में गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णु, गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. सो हियर talking about Guru. Guru is the real supreme being. Okay. In Vishnu, Hanuman and Shankar. In spite of that, Guru is the real supreme being. So what is the right answer? B. B is the right answer means Guru. Now third one is who are Brahma and Vishnu. Brahma और विष्णु कौन है? Okay. ब्रह्मा. Who are Brahma and Vishnu. यहाँ पे ब्रह्मा और विष्णु किसकी कंपैरिजन ब्रह्मा और विष्णु के साथ की गई है? ओके. तो हियर द ऑप्शन इज ए ब्रह्मा, ओके, बी विष्णु, नो, सी गुरु एंड डी महादेव. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? हु आर ब्रह्मा एंड विष्णु. सो गुरु इज ब्रह्मा एंड विष्णु. हियर गुरुज कंपैरिजन, गुरु की कंपैरिजन किसके साथ की गई है? ब्रह्मा एंड विष्णु के साथ की गई है. ओके. सो द राइट आंसर of third MCQ is Guru. Okay. Now in fourth MCQ, who is holding वीणा and book. किसने वीणा और बुक को अपने हाथ पे पकड़ रखा है? ओके. Now in लक्ष्मी, नो, बी अम्बा माँ, सी गायत्री एंड डी सरस्वती. So what is the right answer of 4 MCQ? मीन्स सरस्वती. सरस्वती हैज़ गिवन द नॉलेज. ओके. वो विद्या की देवी के रूप से जानी जाती है. सो हियर बुक. बुक कौन पकड़ता है? जो हमें ज्ञान देता है, जो हमें नॉलेज देता है, और उसको विद्या की देवी कहते हैं. ओके. सो हियर हु इज होल्डिंग वीणा एंड बुक. तो सरस्वती इज होल्डिंग वीणा एंड बुक. ओके. द राइट आंसर ऑफ 4 MCQ इज डी. ओके. नाउ इन फिफ्थ MCQ, what does the student pray to Saraswati for? Okay. What does the student pray to Saraswati for? मीन्स हमें सरस्वती की पूजा क्यों करनी चाहिए? किसके लिए हम पूजा करते हैं सरस्वती की? फॉर एवर लास्टिंग हैप्पीनेस, सुख के लिए. फॉर स्टडी, अपनी स्टडी के लिए. फॉर नॉलेज, अपने ज्ञान के लिए. और फॉर वेल्थ मीन्स मनी के लिए. So here what is the right answer? Student pray to Saraswati for the study. Okay. हमारा अभ्यास अच्छे से हो. Okay. हमारी शुरुआत आपकी पूजा से ही हो. Means what is the right answer of fifth one? The right answer of fifth one is B means for study. Now in sixth MCQ, वक्रतुंड इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः. Here write English meaning of the word. Means what is the meaning of वक्रतुंड in English? Okay. First one is with crooked mouth. Okay. With crooked trunk, with crooked mouth and with crooked hands and with small eyes. Okay, Vakratund means what is the answer of right one? With crooked mouth. Okay, now the right answer is what? With crooked mouth. Okay, now कोटि इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? ओके, नाउ कोटि इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? इन 5th MCQ, okay, in 6th MCQ I have given the answer. In 7th MCQ, कोटि इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? कोटि. Okay, now कोटि means what? Crore. B means 1000, C 100 and D lakh. So koti, here the meaning of koti is crore. So the right answer of koti is crore. Okay, now 8th MCQ, समप्रभः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? ओके, समप्रभः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? नाउ इन 8th MCQ, समप्रभः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः मीन्स ए सरस्वती, बी लक्ष्मी, सॉरी, इन 8th MCQ समप्रभः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः मीन्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ समप्रभः? ए विथ इक्वल वेल्थ, with equal knowledge, with equal brightness and with equal power. So what is the right answer of Samaprabha? Means what? With equal brightness. So the right answer is C. Okay, now in 9 MCQ, Sarada iti शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? So what is the meaning of Sarada in English? So here the answer: A Saraswati, B Lakshmi, C Gayatri and D अम्बामा. So what is the right answer? शारदा means सरस्वती और वो ज्ञान की देवी है. ओके, नाउ तुभ्यम इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? ओके, तुभ्यम means your, you, your and in you. So what is the right answer of 10th MCQ? The right answer of तुभ्यम means you. Okay, now in 11 MCQ, तस्मै श्री, okay, means उचित रूपम किम. Okay, here the which श्लोक है here? गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. So here the what is the right answer of 11 MCQ? गुरुवे. Now in 12 MCQ, नमस्ते blank and देवी उचितम रूपम किम. Here we श्लोक talk about नमस्ते शारदे देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी विद्यारंभम करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. So here in नमस्ते and which of answer is right? Sardaya? No, Sarde, Sardam and Sardaya. So what is the right answer? Sarde means नमस्ते शारदे देवी. Now in 13 MCQ, प्रसन्ना blank सर्वदा. Here also श्लोक नमस्ते शारदे देवी and last one प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. Okay, so here the right answer is भव, प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. Okay, now the adjective वक्रतुंड is used for which god? Okay, वक्रतुंड हमें किस गॉड के लिए हमें एडजेक्टिव यूज़ किया है? गणपति? नो. विष्णु? नो. महादेव शंकर एंड पवन पुत्र हनुमान. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. हियर this श्लोक is based on Ganpati Dada. So here the adjective Vakratund is also used for Ganpati. So the right answer is Ganpati. Okay, now what type of teacher has been saluted? किस तरह के टीचर को हमें सैल्यूट करना चाहिए? Okay, first the learned teacher, the teacher like Brahma, the teacher like Supreme Being, and last the teacher with brightness of millions of sun. So what is the right answer? The right answer of 15 MCQ is C, the teacher like Supreme Being. Okay, I hope you understand the MCQ of Vandana. You have to read the MCQ of Vandana and prepare for examination. Now we come into Chitrapadani 1. Okay. In Chitrapadani 1, also I have given some picture. Here there are some pictures also. Okay. First picture is what? Bullock. Okay. Means Vrushabah, Gadarbah, Nakulaha and Makaraha. So here what is the right answer of Vrushabah? Okay. Vrushabah is the right answer because Vrushabah means bullock. Okay. Now in second MCQ, what is this? In second MCQ you have to see the donkey. Okay. And in donkey we have to say in Sanskrit what? Mayurah, no, peacock, Vrushabah, bullock. Okay. And Dhenuhu means cow. Okay. So what is the right answer of second one is Gadarbah. Gadarbah means donkey. Okay. Now third one, we have to see the picture of peacock. Okay. And in peacock we can say in Sanskrit Mayuraha. Okay. The right answer of third one is Mayuraha. Kakah means crow, Mandukah means frog and Sukah means parrot. Okay. So the right answer is Mayura and Mayura means peacock. Okay. Now in fourth MCQ, you have to see the pictures of crow. Okay. Now the option is A, Sukah. Wrong. Sukah means parrot. Chatka means sparrow. Kapotah means cuckoo, means coil. And Kakah. Kakah means crow. So the right answer is fourth MCQ is Kakah means crow. Now in fifth MCQ, you have to see the picture of crocodile. Okay. Now the option Makaraha means crocodile, Garudaha eagle, Mandukaha frog, Meshaha sheep. Okay. So what is the right answer of Mandukaha? Means in fifth picture, what is the right answer? Makaraha. Okay. Makaraha means crocodile. Now in sixth MCQ, what is this? This is frog. Okay. Here A, Makaraha, B, Mandukaha, C, Mesaha and D, Vrushabah. So here what is the right answer of sixth one is Mandukaha. Okay. Mandukaha means frog. Okay. Now in 7 MCQ, you have to see the picture of sheep, Meshaha. Okay. Meshaha. Here Nakulaha, wrong answer. Makaraha means crocodile, Mandukaha means frog and the right Mesaha means sheep. So the right answer of 7 MCQ is Mesaha. Now in 8 MCQ, you have to see which one's mongoose. First one is Mandukaha, wrong. Nakulaha, yes, Nakulaha means mongoose. Vrushabah means bullock, so it is wrong answer. Makaraha means what? Crocodile. So here is also wrong answer. So what is the right answer of 8 MCQ is B. Okay. Now in 9 MCQ, Sarpaha iti sabdasya kaha artha? Means Sarpaha. What is the meaning of Sarpaha? Sarpaha means snake. Okay. स्नेक तो आपने देखा ही होगा. बी, mongoose, no. Crow, no. Pot, no. So the right answer of 9 MCQ is Sarpaha. Sarpaha means snake. 10. Talaha. Talaha. So what is the right answer of Talaha? A, key, no. Lock, lamp and kite. So what is the right answer of Talaha means lock. Okay. Now in 11 MCQ, see the Nakulaha iti sabdasya kaha artha? Nakulaha, see the option frog, no. Okay. Now sheep, no. Crocodile, no. And D, mongoose. So what is the right answer of 11 MCQ? Nakulaha means mongoose. Okay. Now in 12 MCQ, find the meaning of ox from the given options. First A, Gadarbah, B, Vrushabah, C, Meshaha and D, Mandukaha. Okay. Here ox means bullock and bullock we can say in Sanskrit Vrushabah. So what is the right answer of 12 MCQ? Gadarbah, no. Vrushabah means bullock. We also can say ox. Meshaha, Mandukaha. So what is the right answer of 12 MCQ? Vrushabah. Okay. Now in 13 MCQ, Find the meaning of crow from the given option. Okay, find the meaning of crow from the given option. Crow का संस्कृत वर्ड क्या है? फर्स्ट पिकः, नो. चटकः, नो. काकः and सुकः. So what is the right answer of 13 MCQ? The right answer of 13 MCQ is Suka. Now we come into Chitrapadani 2. In Chitrapadani 2 we have also given some pictures. Okay, answer the following questions selecting the appropriate option. Okay, the first picture, the first one is you have to see the pictures. Which pictures? Table. And how, and which is the Sanskrit word of table? Which is the word of table? Which? First Utpitika. Okay, now Puspadhani, Satika and Ghati. So what is the right answer of first one is Utpitika. Okay, Utpitika means table. Now second one is, here you see the picture of plate. Okay, dish. You also can say disk. Dish. Now the option is Satika, Sthalika, Petika and Kuchika. So what is the right answer of second one is Sthalika. Okay, Sthalika means plate. हम जिसमें नाश्ता करते हैं, जिसमें खाते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? थाली. So the right answer of second one is Sthalika. Now third, what is this? Flower pot in English. Okay, now what is the Sanskrit word of flower pot? Sthalika, no. Petika, no. Kuchika, no. So what is the right answer of flower pot? Means Puspa Dhani. Okay, what is the right answer of third MCQ? Puspa Dhani. Now in fourth MCQ you have to see what is this? This is Petika. Means हम क्या बोलते हैं? पेटिका. Okay, so here Chatka, no. Satika, no. Petika and Utpitika. Here Chatka means sparrow. Okay, Satika means sari and Utpitika means table. So here what is the right answer of Petika? Fourth MCQ is Petika. So the right answer is fourth one is Petika. Now in fifth MCQ you have to see what is this? Key. In English we can say key, and in Sanskrit what is the right answer? See here the option is Petika, Kuchika, Chulli and Satika. So what is the right answer of fifth one is Kuchika. Okay, Kuchika. Now in sixth MCQ you have to see sparrow. Okay, what is the Sanskrit word of sparrow? See the option: A. Kuchika, B. Petika, C. Satika and D. Chatka. So what is the right answer of 6 MCQ? Chatka. Chatka means sparrow. Okay. Now in 7 MCQ you have to see what is this? This is watch. And what is the Sanskrit word of watch? See the option: A. Ghati, B. Chulli, C. Puspadhani and D. Utpitika. Okay. Now what is the right answer of 7 MCQ? Watch. Okay, and what is the Sanskrit word of watch? Clock means Ghati. Okay, so the right answer of 7 MCQ is Ghati. Now in 8 MCQ here you see what is this? This is sari. Okay, now the option is Petika, Kuchika, Satika and Sthalika. So the right answer is what? C. Satika. Okay, so the answer of 8 MCQ is Satika, C. Now 9 number, Satika iti sabdasya kaha artha. So what is the meaning of Satika in English? See here the option: sari, girl, sparrow and key. So the right answer is what? 9. Satika means sari. Chulli इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः मीन्स चुल्ली का मतलब क्या है? ऑप्शन की, बी स्टव, सी पॉट एंड डी बॉक्स. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ चुल्ली मीन्स स्टव. ओके, नाउ लास्ट 11 MCQ. चुल्ली इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः. चुल्ली इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः मीन्स स्टव एंड लास्ट घटी इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः। घटी का इंग्लिश में मीनिंग क्या है? टेबल, नो, चेयर, नो, क्लॉक. Okay, clock means घटी. And last one is cot. No. So the right answer is bought in 11 MCQ. The MCQ. What is the right answer? C. C means रत्नम छत्तीसगढ़. Now in Chitrapadani 3, first option is you have to see the picture. Okay, in first picture what is this? This is umbrella, and in umbrella what is the meaning of umbrella? Ratnam. Okay, in umbrella we can say in Sanskrit Ratnam, Chhatram, Puspam or Urukam. What is the right answer of umbrella? The right answer of umbrella is Chhatram. Okay, first answer Chhatram. Second, you have to see flower. In it flower, what is the Sanskrit word of flower? Dhanam, no. Chhatram, no. Puspam, no. Ratnam, no. So what is the right answer of second one is Puspam. Okay, Puspam means flower. Now third, what is this? The picture of what is this? Garlic. Okay, here garlic in Sanskrit word we can say lasunam. Other option urukam, ratnam and sakatam. So what is the right answer of third MCQ? Lasunam. Okay, lasunam means garlic. Okay, now fourth MCQ Vrushabam. Okay, you have to see the bullock. Vrushabam एंड उसके पीछे क्या है? गाड़ी लगाई है. ओके, वृषभम, सकटम, लोकयानम एंड कृष्णफलकम. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ फोर्थ MCQ? सकटम मीन्स बुलॉक कार्ट. नाउ वी कम इनटू फिफ्थ MCQ. यू हैव टू सी द बस. ओके, एंड इन बस वी कैन से इन संस्कृत लोकयानम. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज कृष्णफलकम, सकटम, Lokyanam and Lavitram. So what is the right answer of fifth one is C. Lokyanam. Now we come into 6. Okay. What is this? This is aeroplane. So what is the right answer? Lokyanam, no. Sakatam, no. Palakam, no. Vimanam. So the right answer of 6 MCQ is Vimanam. Okay. Now in 7 MCQ, what is the right answer? You have to see the pant or trouser. Okay, urukam, sivan yantram, lasunam, sakatam. So what is the right answer of 7 MCQ? Urukam. Okay, now what is this? This is sewing machine, means सीने का machine. How to say in Sanskrit? Chhatram, no. Urukam, no. Sivan yantram, yes. And ganan yantram, no. Ganan yantram means calculator. So what is the right answer of 8 MCQ? Sivan yantram. Now in 9 MCQ, sakatam iti शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? sakatam, horse cart, bullock cart, train and bus. So what is the right answer of 9 MCQ? bullock cart. Okay. Now in 10 MCQ, what is the 10 MCQ? कृष्णफलकम इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? कृष्ण मीन्स ब्लैक. कृष्ण कान्हा कैसा होता है? काला होता है. एंड फलकम मीन्स बॉर्ड. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ 10 MCQ? ब्लैक बॉर्ड. ओके. नाउ इन 11 MCQ लोकयानम इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? लोकयानम इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लोकयानम इन इंग्लिश? सो द आंसर इज option train, bus, bullock cart and horse cart. So what is the right answer? Lokyanam means bus. Okay. Now in Chitrapadani 4 we come. Okay, the first picture is what? Pen or pencil. Okay, now the option Ankani, Lavitram, Yantram and Aukarika. So what is the right answer of first MCQ is Ankani. Ankani means pen or pencil. Now second, what is this? Chamasah means बड़ा चम्मच होता है उस, तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है सच्चिका मीन्स फाइल, चमसह मीन्स स्पून, पिज्जह मीन्स स्विच एंड सच्चिका मीन्स फाइल. So what is the right answer of second one is chamasah. Okay, now we come into third MCQ. Here we see लवित्रम मीन्स सिकल. हम खेत में यूज़ करते हैं ना, उसको गुजराती में हम खरपड़ी कहते हैं. So what is the right answer of सिकल is संस्कृत word is लवित्रम. Okay, now पवित्रम wrong answer, सकटम wrong answer and उरुकम गुरुकम means also wrong answer. So right answer of third one is lavitram. Now we come into fourth MCQ. Okay, here is what? File, and in file we can say in Sanskrit sachika, petika, droni. Okay, petika, droni, kuchika and sachika. So what is the right answer of fourth MCQ? Sachika. Now in fifth MCQ, what is this? This is bucket. Okay, bucket means हम गुजराती में क्या बोलते हैं? डोल बोलते हैं. Okay, and in Sanskrit we can say droni. So the right answer of fifth one is droni. Now in sixth MCQ, what is this? This is ant. Means in ant we can say in Sanskrit pipilika. Lokyana no, sachika no, aukarika no. What is the meaning of aukarika? Dustbin. Now what is this? Okay, girls like this. Yes or no? Okay. Now in 7 MCQ, this is what? Jewelry. Jewelry means abhushanam. Okay. Now in 8 MCQ, what is this? This is, what is this? This is dustbin. And in dustbin, what is the meaning of dustbin in Sanskrit? Aukarika. Okay. Now in 9 MCQ, which of the following words is not feminine? फेमिनाइन नहीं है मीन्स देखो यहाँ पे स्थालिका, चटका, चमसह एंड द्रोणी. फेमिनिन नहीं है, तो कौन है फेमिनिन नहीं है? चमसह. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ 9 MCQ इज सी. नाउ इन 10 MCQ, पिज्जह इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? पिज्जह मीन्स स्विच. ओके, सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ 10 MCQ इज पिज्जह. नाउ 11 MCQ, औकरिका इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? What is the meaning of औकरिका in English? C. File, dustbin, bucket and torch. So what is the meaning of औकरिका? The meaning of औकरिका is dustbin. I hope you have understand Vandana and Chitrapadani 1 to 4 MCQ. You have to prepare for the examination from this MCQ PDF. Okay, I hope you understand very